Hello guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel Mad Edit. So in today's tutorial I am gonna be teaching you how to actually palm a card. So palming a card is it's used mostly most common by most of the magician in the world. It is the basic technique of Today I am gonna showing you the basic technique of palming a card. I am gonna show you actually three ways to palm a card. I don't know if the lateral palm is working on the camera because it's very angle sensitive lateral palm, and I am gonna show you three types of palm in this tutorial. And this is the third palm, which is the gambler's cop. So in this tutorial I am gonna be showing you three palms. Hello guys, welcome to Mad Essay. So in today's tutorial I am gonna be showing you how to actually palm a card. So palming a card is one of the basic technique in card magic. So in today's tutorial I am gonna be showing you three basic way to actually palm a card. So without further delay, let's begin the tutorial. So the first palm is how to palm the first card, which look like this. The palm look like this. So that's the card is now palmed. See this way. So how to perform with your pinky finger? You have to just push the right corner tip with your this part. Do you see this? Have to adjust this way and just push with your pinky finger. It will directly come in your hand. So how do we palm a card? We palm a card between a pinky finger and this part of the hand. See, do you see this part? Between this part of the hand we palm a card. So let me show you again how we palm the card. So mostly people always palming is done while speaking to the spectator. We speak to the spectator while making hand gesture, shifting the card from this hand to this hand, and that's when we palm the card. So that's the top palm. That's how we palm the top card. Just with your pinky finger push the card like this. See how it's come in your hand. See this way. It will directly come with your palm with this line. You see, just push the card and the card will be directly palmed in your hand. See, just push the card. What excuse you gonna make? You just gonna shift this card in this deck, and while doing this you have to just with your pinky finger palm the card like this and take the deck in this hand. See, now the card is palmed, and now you have to again take the deck, and when you palm the card, see this way, don't keep the hand like this, take it directly down. See, let me show you one more time. Suppose I am gesturing the spectator something and I had palmed the card. See, this is the way. See, directly take, as soon as you palm the card, directly take the card from the contact of the eyes. So that's how the top palm works. Now I am gonna show you the lateral palm. So this is the lateral palm. So this is the lateral palm. Let me show you one more time. So that's the lateral palm. I don't know if you can see the card or not, but one thing keep in mind. See, this is the lateral palm. You always keep one thing in mind while performing the lateral palm is that, see, you have to take your middle finger and put your middle. So this is your middle finger, right? What you wanna do is take your middle finger and just flick the card like this and put your middle finger here in this position. So that's the lateral palm. Always keep this position in mind. See this. So this is the position of lateral palm. So just take the card from the spectator. Suppose I take this card from the spectator and I will just place it like this. See, this is the position you hold the card, and bring your thumb upward, flipping the card. See, bring your thumb upward. So this sound is created. Flipping the card and placing your thumb and the card in this position. See, placing the thumb and card in this position of the deck. So let me show you one more time. Just flip the card like this and this. So what you wanna do, take the card, rest it here and this. The one thing you wanna keep in mind is that this card which you see the angle, this thumb, suppose the card is here, this thumb should be always, suppose I have pointed toward the camera, so you can't see the card, but if I do this or do this, the card is exposed. So what you have to do is point this thumb like a beam, point this beam toward the spectator eyes always, so that spectator won't able to see the card. So just hold your card with thumb and middle finger move upward and comes here, see this way, and the card is now palmed. So in fast it would look like this. Suppose I take card from the spectator, I place it here, and now the card is palm. I won't know if it's getting the card in the camera or not, but for the spectator it's work very perfectly. You just have to keep your hand like this, so it's point toward the spectator eyes, and just palm the card and take the heart downward in this angle. See this angle, so the spectator won't able to see the card. So that's the second palm, and the last palm on the list is which is actually the gambler's cup, which actually look this. See, now I palm the card. It's a way to palm the bottom card. See, suppose this is, I just had to put my this finger here, and with this finger push this whole deck front. See, just put the deck here, push the whole deck front, keeping one card backward like this. See, just here with your thumb put the pressure on the bottom card like this and push the whole deck to the front like this. See, this way. So that's, and then you can directly hand over the card to the spectator like this. See, this way. They would never know that the card has been palmed. They would never know that the spectator take card like this. Your hand goes down naturally. See, this way. Hand over the card, they took naturally. See, this way. Gambler cop, they won't be able to see the card. The card is actually here. So that's the gambler cop. What you wanna do, just you can start by taking a thumb break at the bottom card this way, and just put deck in this position and move this deck upward just this way, leaving this card behind. See, this way you have to just push this card upwards, leaving this card behind, and hand in this position. See, just it's in the middle of this thumb finger. Card starts from here and this way. Just release your hand directly. So they were the 3 palm. And in next I'm gonna making a next video. In that video I'm gonna be teaching you the diagonal palm shift, which look like this. The card goes directly in the middle of the deck, and now the card has been palmed. See, this is the diagonal palm shift. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace out.